Ça va? So this week we are in Dijon. Right now I'm in my friend's daughter's room, so don't mind the situation. Yeah. She's a little girl, enjoys her life. So anyway, we're in Dijon this weekend. I'm just here with my friends. We're gonna just chill. I don't know. She lives in Dijon. She's been living in Dijon for a while. So I'm gonna show you a bit of what Dijon has to offer you. If you don't know what Dijon is, it's another little city in Paris. In France, okay, and obviously it's well known for Dijon mustard. So maybe we'll find some on our way or on our way around the little city. So we'll see what we find. I just wanted to just show you a bit of other sides of France. You can travel so easily in France. You just get on a train and you hop, skip, and away, and you're there. So that's what we're doing this weekend. And I just wanted to just come and share with you the experience and it's not my first time here. It's my second time here, but the first time things were closed. So I'm excited to see what it has to offer as a city in general. So stay tuned, guys, and let's go explore a bit of Dijon and maybe have some Dijon mustard in that while we at it. Doodaloo. We are walking to the park. What's the park's name that we're going to? Okay, friends. Okay, let's go. We're going to that park. I don't know what she just said. That Maggie's. Okay, yeah. Let's go get sushi.
Sushi bar.
About Dijon. Tell me, what do you want to tell the people about Dijon?
Well, as you can see,
Yes.
the architecture is very nice.
Okay. What is Dijon famous for besides mustard?
Besides mustard,
Yeah, Dijon mustard.
also wine.
Oh, wine. Okay, we good. What type of wine, girl?
It's Bourgogne.
Bourgogne. Oh, d'accord. Okay. As you heard it, guys, if you want to come to Dijon, come for the mustard and the good wine. Jacques Escalier used to be who? An architect, yeah, a very famous architect.
Yes, him.
Uh-huh.
And this little park here is the Darcy Park.
Darcy Park. It is famous for... He made it? He created it? No.
No, but it's just to hang out, chill.
Alrighty.
Although,
Allez, Nicole, allez. With your bicycle.
are you not sure?
Yeah, another story. Picnic vibes.
Tenía uno chiquito.
Nicolita, say hey for the people.
Oye, la Kelly, she's crazy, right?
Girlfriend, don't listen to her. You're doing it good.
Oye, más, ¿viste el video que te mandé?
¿Cuál de todos?
¿Qué dice el colombiano? El venezolano.
I lived in the smallest cities of Europe. So this is the Arc de Triomphe of Dijon. But it's actually called the Porte de Guillaume. The Porte de Guillaume. Okay, that's what it is. type of place, my type of area. Mustard at this place. You can choose your own toppings if you want to have basil. You can have whatever you want to have in it. That's cool. Let's go try it. Let's go see it out. Let's go check it out. Oh, bonjour. Oh my gosh. All of these different... Oh. All the different mustards you can think of.
So look at it. Now you have mustard that I was telling you with the cassis. You have different types of mustard.
That's so cool.
And if you like blue cheese,
you can have blue cheese mustard.
and this you don't have in Paris because you can find the same shop.
But they don't have all of the different flavors. Do they have one with like what do they call it? Truffles. That would be nice.
This is mayonnaise with truffles.
Truffles. Ooh, for like a mustard with truffles. That would be nice. So I'm gonna make my own mustard, and they're gonna put it into what's the little. Choose one of these little things, and they're gonna customize it, and you can customize your own mustard with your name on it. I'm just gonna put my name because I like myself.
Like that one? Yeah. Okay. You want a heart?
Yeah, I want the heart that they put over there on this one.
This one?
Yeah, that's cute.
Okay.
Oh, but I want the writing. Is that the same writing that they used on the?
I think no. I can try one. It's enough. This one.
Okay, yeah. You can take it, please. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
This one? Okay.
Ready
Make
to
me
go?
some mustard. Yeah. And now it's going to be made. We've got the logo. Let's put it in. Wow, this is cool.
This remembers me the Heineken factory.
What did you do? Did you personalize something in the Heineken?
You can do your own bottle.
And
you
is
know?
that what you did? Oh, no surprise. Where's your bottle? I hope you didn't drink it.
No, Julian has them. Wow. These are levels, friend.
It's lasering my... Oh, it's so cool.
You see? And all in Dijon.
Come to Dijon and you can get yourself your very own mustard. Okay, thank you. Oh. So cute.
You need something else?
No, that's it. Sucker for packaging. Look at how cute is my personalized bottle of mustard. Like, how cute. So cute. Cathedral de quoi? La Chouette. That's the cathedral, guys. La Chouette. That's just the cathedral of
They
our.
sell the bread that I was telling about.
Oh, the yummy. Oh, the one that you said is spicy. This is apparently, if you are interested in the spicy. Oh, let me see. There we go. Pain d'épices. It's a speciality that you find here in Dijon. Pain d'épices. Okay. It's quite something. Okay. But didn't you say that? Oh, the other one is the owl. And then this one is the Notre Dame. Apparently, if you touch this owl with your what hand? Your Your left hand, and you make a wish. It'll come true. So there we go. We just made a wish on the owl of Le Notre Dame. C'est ça? Cathedral.
Just the owl.
Just an owl. What's that building?
That is the actual cathedral.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God,
It's a
and
party.
there's some dancing.
Place you can wine speciality that you can only find in Dijon. This is the wine. It's called Cassis, and if you want some, this is where to get the best stuff.
Merci à tous d'être venus. Vous en avez encore pour une chanson et c'est la dernière.
Seems to be some revolution happening here.
Merci encore d'être là. Dans les terrasses, mais oui, on met du son un petit peu pour vous réveiller un peu.
Had like it was just here.
Ah, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, but then it was immediately taken.
Really, I can imagine. Yeah.